real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time.
I want you to make this specific type of content, and I want you to make this type of video for this long. And they said, okay, I'm gonna go.
I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help it, it's more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing. I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know a thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind, kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have.
Our right, y'all, so hair is done. I think it is looking very, very bomb, y'all. This is Dsoar's Hair. I did make this unit into a wig. It is a 20-inch closure and 3 22-inch bundles. I did not use all of the bundles, but y'all, this hair though is like, has such a nice pretty wave to it, y'all. I got it in better lighting in my restroom so y'all could see. But yeah, so it's this really pretty wave. You guys saw what products I put on it to get it like this. All I honestly did was make this unit into a wig. I put some clips in right here of me actually sewing the wig. And so guys, all I did was make this into a wig with my sewing machine, which I'm so proud of myself because I made my first sewing machine wig, y'all, and like it came out so freaking good. Like, y'all, I don't even have a band in this wig. I just took my measurements and I put those same measurements on my wig block, and I did the lining and stuff like that, and then I made this bomb ass wig that I don't even need any clips or band for or anything like that. Now all I did do was put one layer of the Bold Hold active glue right there at the front to give it more security, and y'all, it's fucking made. So today, all I have to do today is to go to a Halloween event. So at my facility that I work for, which I work for a freestanding emergency room, one of my colleagues there is having a Halloween party. And if you guys did not know, today is Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all. Whoop, whoop. And we will be going to a Halloween party. So at the Halloween party, they are doing like that Paki, whatever. It's like the one chip challenge that's been going around all over YouTube like a little while ago. And so she decided to bring that to her med spa, and so I'm going up there to film and record and just have fun with my coworkers and everything like that. Right now I am in the middle of packing because tomorrow I'll go out of town with my family for a family function. I'm getting dressed right now, so I don't know if I should wear like this burnt orange color with like the pants right here. I don't know if I want to wear this top, which is the same top that I wore for like my family photos, or do I want to wear, I don't know if I want to wear my long black bell bottoms from my friend's boutique. I've took a picture in these before on my I think I put it on my Instagram, but all I would do is just put these together, a black turtleneck shirt with this sweater type of vest thing. Y'all, I love these things. I love when I can always break this one out, and like, y'all, I love them. So all these other outfits though are like for the family function and stuff like that, so you know, those don't really matter. But these outfits will go with me to my family function because I'm going to Austin. So I will come back to you guys once I finally make a decision on my outfit. Okay, y'all, so it is 7:30 and I am on my way to go to the Halloween party at my friend's med spa. So this is today's fit. Do not mind my room because once again I am packing. So I just have on like this orange copper type of tee. Well, it's not even a tee. This orange copper type of sweater with like some mom type of jeans that has a lot of rips in it, Gucci belt, and I have on some little booties right here. But so this is the fit all together. I actually really like this outfit. Like, I really do. It's very cute, chic, and casual. And the hair is slayed and provided by today's sponsor, which is Dsoar Hair. And this is a closure. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell it's the closure up? No, you can't. You can't. You can't even find the lace. So this hair was provided by Dsoar Hair. It is their Peruvian natural wave hair. I have in a 20-inch closure and 3 22-inch bundles. I did not use all 3 of the 22-inch bundles. I only used about 2.5, and I did double my wefts. I did make this with a sewing machine, and so, but yeah, y'all, this hair is so full and so pretty. I love the hair, y'all. Like, I really love it. Like, I really love. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on up out this house.